Yeah. What up? Welcome back to another video, guys. Came out today. Jay hit me up. He said he wanted to meet up real quick and go for a little ride, so he called this other boy up. He has a little 250, I think that is. Yeah, 250, 290, I don't know what it is, but we're up in Wawa, and now we are about to head out to Sonic. So hopefully Sonic is open and get some food. I actually did a video with Jay's bike one time when I had my iron, where I did a comparison from the 883 to his iron 1200. That was a pretty good video. And he was telling me right now that he was actually at the dealership about a week or two ago, probably 2 weeks ago, before they closed down. Because look, we're right there in front of Harley Davidson as well. He was telling me that he was looking into getting a lowrider. So I'm like, bro, go for it. He said he might be doing that soon. So no special topics for today. We're just gonna ride and chill, hang out. That's it, baby. Enjoy the cloudy weather. It was sunny out earlier, but that went away. Can't complain though. Still pretty nice out to ride. Beautiful riding weather. Alright, fun fact, guys. I don't know if you guys, if anybody watches Sopranos, but the Bing, Bada Bing was filmed over here. There's an actual strip club that the Bing was filmed in. It's coming up here on the right. I'll show you guys right now. It's called Saddle Dogs. So that's where the Bing was at, right there straight ahead. See, it says Saddle Dogs. And the bottom it says, let me see. Oh, they had a Bing sign before, but that's where they filmed Sopranos at. Fun fact for you guys. It's pretty cool. But every time I'm watching The Sopranos, I just recently started watching the show again. I'm on season 2. And it's crazy because I'm able to spot out a bunch of places that are from around the area around here. Everything is like noticeable. Alright guys, so no music today, just riding, the sound of the exhaust, sound of the wind, and this gloomy scenery ahead of us. Oh, look at that S1000 right there. Woo! That's fire. That's nice. Bunch of bikes out today, man. It's awesome. Woo! You hear that? I don't know if you guys can hear that in the background. Sounds nice. It's one of my favorite ramps around here. I used to come a lot around this one when I used to live in Clifton last year with my iron 883, and I used to always scrape peg right here. I used to hit this turn real aggressive when there was no cars ahead of me. Get nice down low, and I used to always scrape peg right there. Whoop whoop, that's the sound of the police. Whoop whoop, that's the sound of the beast. You know, we're going to Sonic, and I think I've never been to Sonic before, because we didn't have Sonic in New York. That doesn't exist over there. It's like Jersey and under. And ever since I moved to Jersey, like I just never had the appetite to go to Sonic. But hopefully it's open. I can finally try Sonic. Taking you guys out on a Sonic run today. I hope everyone's at home safe and sound. I'm out here trying to bring you guys some entertainment, keep you home entertained, because if you don't gotta be out, you shouldn't be out. Unless you're on your bike, then hey, you keep a distance on a bike, so that's different. And we gotta go over there on that side. I haven't gotten any notice from work yet. Had a phone call from corporate like 2 or 3 days ago, and for now they're gonna keep paying us, so I'm pretty lucky and fortunate enough that I'm getting my full salary still until further notice. Then they're gonna further assess within the next 2 weeks or so and see where we stand and see what are gonna be the future plans. But for now, I'm home, getting paid, staying healthy, playing with the kids. Got the baby a little a basketball hoop the other day. He's been like non-stop on that thing, man. We'll go like back and forth all day. We'll shoot hoops. He loves that thing. I haven't been watching much news lately because it's like, you know, you'll be home all day and you'll be on CNN all day, and that stuff would just drive you crazy. But usually, like for example, my on a daily routine, like I'll wake up in the morning, my wife and I will have coffee, we'll have breakfast, and then we'll watch the news for the first hour or so, maybe first hour or two, and then we'll, you know, try to find something productive to do around the house, or maybe we gotta run an errand. We've been going to Home Depot a lot lately and Target just to get stuff for the house and clean up a few things. So we've done a lot of that lately. You know, after that we'll have lunch, we'll hang out, then we'll watch a movie or watch a show or something. Then we'll go outside, take the baby outside to play in the yard. Then we come back inside, we'll have dinner. Then after dinner, my wife and I usually take a walk around the neighborhood. You know, we'll take our time, we'll be out. We go jogging here and there as well. So that's pretty much what I do on a daily basis. And then, you know, I come out and I take a ride here and there as well, film something for you guys, and that's it. Besides that, I'm just on Netflix or on YouTube all day. I watch a lot of YouTube. And I gotta turn right here. I've never been here before, so I don't know which way I'm going. Sonic. What do you guys get from Sonic when you guys come here? Because like I said, this is my first time here. I don't know what to get. I don't know what they have. I know they have burgers and hot dogs and stuff. Let's see what they have over here. They have everything. You know, I've never been here before. Nah, I've never been here before, bro.
Yeah, you can just order this, come out.
Yeah.
Right.
How's the food? It's good?
It's pretty good.
Yeah?
The burgers are good. Yeah, picalera. I'm not for picalera.
What happened to your bike, bro? You went down?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, I was like, when I first bought.
Oh, when you first got it?
Yeah, I bought it last year. I learned. I haven't bought the fairing yet, because I haven't been riding.
Yeah, I mean, you had to wait for the winter time.
I had to wait for the winter, but I've been feeling the ride, so I ride it like that, bro.
Yeah.
But
I mean, it looked like a naked bike.
It looked like a naked bike.
You feel me? If you want, you can just take this fairing off, take the other side, and
Take the other side.
yeah, it won't look that bad.
People be like, "Oh, that shirt is nice," and they don't even recognize the other.
Bro, back in the day, they used to take everything off, stun on them, do a bunch of tricks.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy the sliders, so that shit won't happen again.
Yeah.
Buy the sliders for like 3 weeks.
Oh, my man right here too.
Yeah, I told you. That's my age. That's
so he couldn't believe it that I haven't been down yet. And then I went down.
Yeah. Because
So no, both learning the same year.
Yeah, the same year. I bought my bike, and like 2 weeks later, he got his bike.
Oh, word?
But
you got yours new? What was yours?
It had 2,000 miles on it.
Okay, it's not bad. A naked bike. Take the fairings off, and you'll be alright, bro.
I be thinking about that. Like, y'all should just
Yeah, just take it off, man.
take it off.
All right, guys, that's gonna be it. Pretty short little ride today. We're gonna go order some food. Catch you on the next video. Like always, like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell button. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.